And hi, so I got this. We've seen Pysnippets in the previous video where I use this graphic user interface to see all the snippets I recorded to remember them into Python files, and I can go and manage them through this. Now I want to use um, the same interface with PyStudents. I want to call it PyStudents, and you see here I'm gonna add the files that I want to use into my folder, and that I call the snippets, but maybe I could change it to files. Okay, just files. So I'm going to go here and I'm gonna files here, and now there is this chapter thing that creates I create automatically frame listbox. Let me see, where is it? Create chapter folder here, and maybe I wanna files folder. I wanna change the name. So if there is no, I call it files. Save your files in files folder, txt files. So here I'm gonna change this name to files. Okay, files folder. So save your txt file in your files folder, and when you run it, you get this one. Another thing that I want to add is to, if I click to write something, and if I click save, I want to save this file. So let's check it out. So I want to do what I have here, self text. Want to do self dot underscore text dot bind, and control control S. I think I need this sign here, I think, and go save, or yeah, go save, and let's put save here, and I wanna self with open self, I think file name is the name of the file. It's in here. Wanna change this to files slash, and this one like this, and call this self file name so that it is memorized and is accessible everywhere. So self file name in write mode as file, and file.write, and file.write. I want to put the content of the in the file name. I want the content of so text self dot text dot dot get, and 0 0 0, I think tk until the end. Okay, 0 files and content, and it should be good. Eventually I'm gonna print saved. Let's see if there is some error or something. file name is not defined with open file name. So okay, I changed the file name here, so I gotta do the same here. Okay, let me write something else here and press Ctrl S, but no, didn't save because def save self bin control. I think we don't need this space here. Nope. Okay, so why I don't remember control? Okay, there is one thing here, an angular, too much angular parentheses. Okay, save text 0 argument. Instead I gave 1. I need to put some arguments in here. Ctrl S, saved. Now let's check it out. If I open it again, okay, there is this thing, perfect. So now we can save the file that we selected, perfect. And so that's all. We added this other feature here to save it when we press Ctrl and plus S. Another thing that we want to do is to put some instructions somewhere, some help menu to say that you can do this. So yeah, and maybe we can also do something like self-root bind. Want to put this one where I create this, the root here, self-root bind, Ctrl plus H, and self-help, help. Well, let's just do this for the moment. And we always have to add this. If I press Ctrl and help, press Ctrl plus S to save the content of the files. And maybe we want a dialog file to happen, and also put a menu here with the help voice, so that because you don't probably know that you have to press H unless you put it, for example, here somewhere. You can put a label somewhere. Let me see. If I put a label, let me call it LB column 0 or 1, maybe. Attach it to the frame number 1. And label and this one must go down here under the list box. Okay, now we have Ctrl+H for help, and we'll see something here. Okay, that's all for the moment, and see you next time, and have a nice day.